guys, well here it is. So figured we'd kind of just pick up where we left off. On this side, we still have to put on that rear door. I'm going to start with this headliner. So I get the sun visors removed, all the trim pieces, and then take the headliner itself out. Got to take out all of the pillars and then the radio. So we're gonna take the radio out as well. But we do have a new steering wheel coming with the new airbag cover, so that's gonna be insane. Just take a little bit longer to get. What I am gonna do is take the headliner out and actually redo it in Alcantara. So we're gonna do black Alcantara. I think I might also do it with the side pillars as well. I think that would be super cool. So that's gonna be a big project. So yeah, let's start by taking this thing apart. Okay, so got the headliner out, we got this thing inside. So now it is time to get to work on this thing. So got a few products over here. Headliner adhesive. This is a automotive suede headliner fabric, and then doing the Starlight headliner. So I think this is gonna be super cool. You know, this headliner is not in the best shape, pretty dirty, but yeah, let's get to work on this. Right, you guys, so we are outside now. So as you just saw, I was feeding some of the fiber optic cables through, but I decided I want to do the sunroof. I was not gonna do that. It is a lot of extra work to get the stars on the sunroof as well, but I figured it would be really cool to have that. And so when I was drawing and marking all of the dots for the cables, I did not account for that. So I actually had to retake all of those cables out, and just kind of start over from square one. So that way I can make it even with all of the stars. So we have an even amount back there on the sunroof and then up front. So here we are starting fresh, but I wanted to show you guys how awesome this fabric looks. This Alcantara material is so cool. So having this with a few of the other pieces for the interior and this Alcantara suede, I think is gonna look incredible. And getting the stars in this. So the black Alcantara headliner paired with the stars, I think is gonna look insane. So wanted to do this right. So now what I'm gonna do is go through and just get a little bit of this leftover tan material. That's just from drilling the holes. So you can just use a little piece of tape to pick all of that up, so it'll be all nice and black. So yeah, this is gonna take a lot more time, but we're gonna do it right, and I think the finished outcome is going to look awesome. So let's start over with the stars. so I'll show you guys. All right, so just being totally honest, this was one of the worst jobs we've done. Huge pain from start to finish, but we're almost there. So got the headliner just temporarily fit up. We don't have any of the trim pieces on that are kind of holding up the front and the back, but it is in place. It's clipped in. It looks awesome. The headliner works, so the Starlight headliner works. So we have to leave the strands right here. This is for the sunroof piece. I'm gonna have to do this part when it's on the car. So I'm gonna go wrap the sunroof and suede, reinstall that, and then once I do that, I'll take all of these cables that are from clear back there, if you can see, and then I'll do that same process right here. So these will just be fit down all across this. So it was definitely way more of a hassle and a pain to do it with the sunroof. You had to really be careful about where these cables went so that way they don't ever get crunched. Having the sunroof closed, you're gonna get the full stars from front to back. And this little piece right here will be going black. All of the tan actually will be going black. So it'll just look super cool having the entire roof basically blacked out with the Alcantara suede. So this is what I have to go wrap right now. It looks absolutely filthy. So it'll be really cool actually to redo this in the black. I think it'll look really nice, and it'll be super cool to have the stars in this as well. If you like how this is going, and if you like that we did the sunroof, drop a like, hit that subscribe button for us. So we want to get this car as good as we can possibly get it for you guys, because once again, one of you will win this car, and super soon. On over to AtlanticBeachCustoms.com, enter the giveaway right now before it is too late, and you could win this Chrysler. So let's go get back to work. Okay, so as you guys just saw, we are working on painting the rest of those pieces. Paint everything black and then hit it with a matte enamel top coat. And then for all of the fabrics, so this is one of those fabric trim pieces, and then for around the speakers as well, we are using some of this Max Flex exterior fabric. So this is good for vinyl, leather, rugs. So this stuff works awesome for fabrics. But what I'm gonna show you guys right now is the radio. So I'm gonna work on getting this thing set up. I'm super excited for this. Let's take a look at this. So what we've got here, this is a wiring kit for an aftermarket radio. So that way you can keep the steering wheel controls and the amp. All right, and here is the head unit. So I'm just gonna take this out real quick, show you guys what else is in the box. Looks like just all of the different wiring harnesses. This does have Apple and Android CarPlay. Look at that. Looks so nice. And I love the trim. That silver almost perfectly matches the silver for the two-tone wrap. So rather than having that stock pattern trim, this is in a nice aluminum color. Look at that screen. So it is a much bigger screen, fit perfectly flush in the trim. So I cannot wait to get this thing installed. So that's what I'm going to work on right now. So let's go get this thing fit up and test it out. Okay, so I'll show you guys where we're at. We are getting pretty close.
It's our organized chaos.
It is organized chaos. That's a perfect word to describe it. It looks very, very overwhelming. As you can see right here through this doorway, how good it's gonna look with the all black. So you're not gonna see any red from the door jambs. It's gonna be all purple, all silver, and then the inside is just gonna be totally murdered out. With the suede headliner, the suede pillars is really going to look insane. Then we gotta wire up the Starlight headliner, so I think we'll run that right down underneath these trim pieces. But what I'm also doing is wiring up the backup camera. So as you guys saw from those clips, we got the head unit in, and it does work. Kit did come with a backup camera, which I think will be awesome because, you know, these models did not come with them from the factory. So you can see right here, I still am gonna have to screw that in. But I've got it wired up to the taillight, and then it's running right down here. So we'll obviously, you know, tidy it up. And so I'm going to do the same thing where I am going to take this wire, tuck it underneath these trim pieces, and then run it right here through this clean split. And then I will run it all the way up here, and then inside the glove box, I will have it go through and connect. And then I have a few other things for the interior that I got to do. So I'll show you guys. It's really just some LED lights. I've got some LED interior lights, so I think that'll be super cool to swap out all of the old orange lights with some brand new LEDs. And then I also have some LED puddle lights. So these are when you open up those front two doors, there's that light that shines on the ground. We're gonna be replacing those with some LEDs. And then yeah, that pretty much wraps it up. So let's go get this thing finished up, and then we'll give you guys a full look at the finished interior. Okay, we got the interior completely finished. Well, not completely. We are still waiting on the steering wheel, but we are pretty much all set with the interior for a Chrysler 300. So I'll give you guys a full little walk around, you know, take a look at everything. But I'm so happy with how it turned out. So first thing I want to show you guys are the LED lights. Open up the doors. You've got these super bright puddle lights. Take a look at how bright those are. And then taking a look inside, got the Starlight headliner that automatically comes on whenever a door is opened. But take a look at the all black. I think it looks so much better. You know, I just honestly think that this car looks so much better with an all black interior. And it's super cool because it is almost like a two-tone. That screen is so awesome. Look how big that screen is. It definitely does modernize the interior a lot. I feel like the full black interior makes the car look a lot newer as well. The Starlight is completely controllable, so you can just cycle through any color. White is definitely super clean with this. You know, definitely gives Rolls-Royce vibes. You know, the car practically looks like a Rolls-Royce, so it is complete now that we've got the Starlight headliner as well. So as you can see right here, we've got the full stars, but if you want to use the sunroof, you've still got access to that. It is really hard to see in this lighting, but you can kind of see right up here. So I'm just gonna leave it closed. Now, this is definitely one of my favorite interior mods. Doesn't matter what kind of car you have. I honestly think, my personal opinion, is that you should do this headliner in any car. You don't need to have a super cool car to enjoy a Starlight headliner. You know, we spend all of our time on the inside of these cars, and so having an interior like this definitely makes those drives, especially those night drives, a whole lot more fun. You know, so this is definitely a cool, cheap interior mod that I would recommend to everyone. It does take a lot of time, and it is definitely a lot of work, as you guys saw. But if you've got a weekend, I highly recommend it. And you got different modes. So this is flashing. And then you've got strobe, fade. This is my personal favorite. I think the fade is super cool. All right, let's get the lights turned on and take a look at everything else. So we painted all of these plastic trim pieces back here, and then we've got the suede headliner, which is so cool. Oh, I still have to put that cover in. That's something else I have to do. But yeah, got the suede headliner. Highly recommend doing that as well. I have to paint this as well. This is something I forgot to do, so I have to do that and replace the cover. But yeah, wrapped this pillar in suede. Here's how that side looks. You know, I think doing the headliner and those other pillars in suede really made the biggest difference in the interior, rather than just going with a cloth black. You know, this feels a lot more high-end. You know, I think the suede perfectly fits the look of this car. You know, with how the exterior looks, this thing was just meant to have suede. So we got a ton of exciting content for you guys, so hit that subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you all later.